Hello guys, it's Alexandrus here back to you with another video about family-only tokens. So you are lately really enjoying those videos, and since I'm enjoying the contract, since I'm enjoying the project, the platform, I decided to make more of those videos. So, well, today I'm having a topic for new people, to be honest, but if you like those videos, then why not? You can still watch it, right? What I'm gonna explain today is how to invest in family only token, how to get the passive income with Ethereum, how to start staking your Ethereum, how to get those dividends. And yeah, it's really super simple actually. There is not that much to explain, but I know there is a lot of questions still. Some people don't know how to use this, and I'm here to explain. So that's how the site will probably look for you if you will first just click on the link from the description. Actually, it will all show zero, but since I was logged in the past, it shows me the actual statistics, but you will see zero everywhere here, and maybe some even glitched numbers, but don't worry about that. Okay, first of all, if you go to the About section on the Family Only Tokens, you have a little instruction here. So what it says is that first of all, you need to install either Metamask or mobile app Trust Wallet, Cypher Wallet, Trust Wallet iOS, or yeah, basically one of those wallets. So that's what you really have to do. So if you are on PC, and as you can see this tutorial is for PC, there was one guy making it for mobile as well. So you can check out on YouTube and I'm sure you will find it. You need to go to the Metamask site, first of all. It's at metamask.io. And then according to what browser you use, for me it's Firefox, because I personally think it's the best one, to be honest, for this extension at least. You can either download it for Chrome and Firefox and as well for your mobile device, and it works pretty damn fine as well, from what I was seeing on the videos as well. So yeah, that's the possibility, that's the best option I would say, the easiest one to use at least. So when you have that, then you just create your wallet, and that's super simple. You just click on the MetaMask icon right there, and then you just need to make the account. Basically, when you make the account, it works the same as with any other wallet, with any other desktop wallet, for example. You need to write down the phrasal, then you need to put it again. You set up the password, and when you are done with that, you just log into your wallet. So let me type in my password really quick. Okay. And then what you will see is those all numbers will just load up, as you can see, guys. So it all loaded up. And by the way, I started with 1,100 USD, as you can see it here in the left upper corner. And look how much I'm up right now. My tokens are worth 2,317 US dollars right now. So far we are doing good, and I told you guys, if you get in, you will enjoy the ride. Also in the last video I was saying we'll definitely go over 400 ETH in this week, but yeah, we actually went over 500, and that is insane. Okay, still, you click on your MetaMask wallet. When you have that popped up, you can see your Ethereum value. If you want to send some Ethereum to the wallet, you just copy your address right here. You just click here to copy it, and then you just send the Ethereum here. And now, as you can see, I have 0.4 Ethereum. It's now 177 bucks, which is also insane. As you can see, ETH is right now almost 440 per one. So yeah, that's nice. Okay. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna invest 0.35. I think this will be reasonable, maybe 0.36, so I can get 100 tokens. And when you have your ETH ready, you just click here. I mean, you choose how much ETH you want to invest, okay? So for me, it's 0.36. I have 0.4, but you always need to leave some for the gas. And right now it's quite expensive, not gonna lie. So yeah, I'm putting here 0.36, and you click on buy tokens. And now this window will pop up where you can change the gas price, and I would recommend you to always change it for the fast one. So as the name says, you will get your funds faster. You click on confirm, and you will need to wait about a few seconds, and the tokens should show up right here anytime soon. So let's wait for that. And now also the 20% fee will be took out from me in the USD value, and it will go across all the token holders in form of dividends. 10% will go to them, and then another 10% when I will decide to sell those tokens, which I'm not going to sell, at least right now. You never know, maybe sometime I will need this money and I will need to cash out, but as of now, I'm not going anywhere. I'm staying with family only token. As you can see, I have a lot of gains from here. I made about 1,200 US dollar profit in 3 days, and it's just skyrocketing at this point. So yeah, it's still a good time to get in, I would say. Okay, let's wait for the funds to quickly show up here, and then we can move on with another thing. Well, in the meantime that this is happening, I can show you the contract and some movement that is happening on it. Okay, never mind, it just confirmed. And as you can see, now I have 1,969 tokens. And also the dividends were sent towards all the token holders across the network. As you can see, I received some of them as well, about 4 cents if I'm not wrong. And yeah, I have 2.5k almost here, so that's definitely looking good. Okay, something glitched right here. Let me refresh that really quick. Okay, we got it. Then, if you will need to sell your tokens, or if you want to reinvest your dividends, because, well, you will be accumulating the dividends, and you can either withdraw them or you can reinvest them. So all you gotta do is go into here, in the left bottom corner, and you either have the reinvest button. After clicking it, you will need to pay the gas for the reinvestment, or you have withdrawal as well, and then you can withdraw your dividends. For me, it would be nonsense to pay $6 in order to get 2 back, but you know what I mean. Okay, let's see how much I have left. Yeah, you always need to leave about that 0.02, 0.03 for the gas. If you will eventually need to cash out, then you will be able to do it, of course. I'm thinking what else I could tell you. If you want to sell your tokens, then here you input the value in the tokens, but never use the commas right here, okay? If you want to sell 1,000, then it's fine, but don't do like 1,000.50. It won't work, okay? Just do the rounded numbers. So for example, 1,900, I don't know, 50, 10. Just don't do like 10.8, you know what I mean. Okay. So if you want to sell your tokens, then you simply can do it. For example, I put 1,000 here. I click on sell tokens. Of course, I won't sell them, but I'm just showing you how to do it. And then you just choose the fee you want to go in, and you click on confirm. As I said, I'm not gonna do it, so I reject that. And yeah, I think that's it. It's actually easy as that, guys. You can also change your currency here to whatever currency you prefer. You can easily change it. And yeah, I just wanted to show you the contract as well. So let me refresh that really quick for you. As you can see, the transactions are coming. Right now it's very late, so, well, the flow is a bit slower. But if you want to see how much it was in the day, so yeah, for example, here we have 5 ETH, here we have 1.5 ETH, 15 ETH, 2.3 ETH, 2 ETH, 1.7, 3, 2.25. So as you can see, people are investing, people are going in because it's the good time. If some YouTubers tell you it's too late, then no, they are lying. It's not too late, guys. It's not too late. They were saying it was too late even if this thing was 250 ETH, and as you can see, it's 500 now. So it's definitely not too late. I made nice profit. I'm happy with that. I'm not withdrawing that. I'm gonna hold that. I'm gonna enjoy my dividends, as you can see. So yeah, also guys, if you will decide to invest in family only token, then I strongly recommend you to use the link down below in the description of this video. And that's because of I will be getting the referral earnings, which are then spent towards making all of these videos and towards hiring other YouTubers, basically in towards marketing. So we all make profit on that. We all profit from that, basically, yeah. And yeah, I think we'll be ending here. So if you want more videos about family only token, then feel free to let me know in the comment section down below. And yeah, join our family, guys, join the Telegram, join the site, join the contract, and enjoy some nice money from your Ethereum. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in the next videos coming out soon.